This 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 29 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, oven, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, TV antenna, refrigerator, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bath, front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.